Hair Treatment Mask. Designed to deeply repair damaged and frizzy hair. Its hydrating and nourishing formula helps smooth, soften, and moisturize, leaving your hair straighter, more manageable, and salon fresh. Enjoy organic repair and lasting comfort for healthier looking hair. With cocoa butter and a salt-free, silicone-free formula. Enriched with second-generation keratin, peptide, and new repair technology. It provides spa-level care at home. Helps strengthen hair from root to tip, restore smoothness, and enhance shine. Ideal for anyone wanting soft, revitalized, and healthy hair.